Hi, I had an issue with a PowerCore MPF flat-back battery which I bought at the end of February 2022 for a shoot in March alongside my small HD focus monitor. I tested it as you do and eventually drained the battery. I was told you could charge it with most MPF chargers. I own 3 and not one fitted, so there was no way to charge it. In the end, I bought a Nano 1 V-mount battery, which is a very good solution for Blackmagic Pocket Camera 4K. It has many ports and it can power the camera as well as my Zoom H1 field recorder. So my solution was to buy a Core NPF power plug. It took ages to arrive, only to find that it was an American plug. So in the end, I went to Asda to buy an international plug for £2.50, and at least I can power my Core NPF battery. The good thing about the battery is that it's quite low in profile, so you can rotate the screen quite easily without any impediment. So after at least 2 or 3 months from buying the battery and the charger, I can now use it with my small HD monitor.